Tryna get to you, girl, like what it do, girl. You looking cool, girl, come and be my new girl. Yes, I got a few girls, but I want you, girl. You could be my boo, girl, come and be my boo, girl. Scoop you in a cool, girl, what you tryna do, girl?
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Yes. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. Y'all know I look crazy, but hey, bear with me. I'm gonna be cute and later on in the video. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm finna do a closure quick weave and I'm about to show y'all how I do it. So here I have this closure that I purchased from the beauty supply store a while back. I really don't remember the brand, but I know that it's for short human hair. So yeah, I'm gonna be a baddie on a budget. And yeah, y'all, I'm not a professional. I just do what works for me. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach these knots with this Pure White 40 Volume Developer Cream by Claro Professionals. It was $2.99 as you can see. And then I'm gonna be using the BW2 bleach as well by the same brand. And yeah, y'all, I'm just about to put both of these products into this little plastic bowl, mix it up, get the consistency I want, and then I'm gonna apply that to my lace. So y'all, that's what it's looking like. I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set my timer. So y'all, it's been about 10 minutes. So I'm about to go ahead and rinse that out, and I'm gonna be washing it with this Tresemme Breakage Defense Conditioner.
Maybe that would've gave me one last high. You probably know I would ask why. You left everything dry but my eyes.
Okay, y'all, so I just washed the bleach out the closure. And yeah, y'all, I know y'all can see that it looks way better now. The knots look more realistic than how I just was looking. So now I'm about to blow dry it.
I got these tears on my pillowcase. Hate that I feel away. I shouldn't even feel guilty, boy. You pushed me away. All the shit you said you wouldn't do, you did it anyway. All the shit we was building, boy, you threw it away. I have you mentally before I have you physically. Crazy how you was once my lover, now my enemy. Always gonna have love for you, but you ain't no friend to me. You were so bold out with them hoes, now you want sympathy. You think you deserve a goodbye, bye, bye. Now it's your turn to go and cry.
Okay, y'all, so basically y'all want it to be stuck to y'all forehead, basically. So it's stuck, as y'all can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut all this extra off, and I'll be back. So y'all, I cut the stocking cap, and now I'm just trying to figure out where I want to lay the closure. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna be using this mousse or foam, whatever you want to call it. It's a mini one, and basically just so I can form my part. It's gonna be a side part, so y'all, that's my part. That's what it's looking like. I'm about to see how it look on my head.
Cry, cry, cry. Silly of me to think that one day I'll be alright.
Maybe that would've gave me one last high. You probably know I would ask why. You left everything dry but my eyes. You could've really said goodbye. Maybe that would've gave me one last high. You probably know I would ask why.
Okay, y'all, so here's my first track. I'm about to start gluing these tracks down.
You left everything dry but my eyes.
I got these tears on my pillowcase. Hate that I feel away. I shouldn't even feel guilty, boy. You pushed me away. All the shit you said you wouldn't do, you did it anyway. All the shit we was building, boy, you threw it away. I have you mentally before I have you physically. Crazy how you was once my lover, now my enemy. Always gonna have love for you, but you ain't no friend to me. You were so bold out with them hoes, now you want sympathy. You think you deserve a goodbye, bye, bye. Now it's your turn to go and cry, cry, cry. Silly of me to think that one day I'll be alright.
Okay, y'all, so I'm about to use this heat protective spray, and I'm just gonna spray the hair.
You could've really said goodbye. Maybe that would've gave me one last high. You probably know I would ask why. You left everything dry but my eyes. You could've really said goodbye. Maybe that would've gave me one last
you pushed me away. All the shit you said you wouldn't do, you did it anyway. All the shit we was building, boy, you threw it away. I love you mentally before I love you physically. Crazy how you was once my lover, now my enemy. Always gonna have love for you, but you ain't no friend to me. You were so bold out with them hoes, now you want sympathy. Why? You think you deserve a goodbye, bye, bye. Now it's your turn to go and cry, cry, cry. So silly of me to think that one day I'll be alright.
Maybe that would've gave me one last high. You probably know what I would ask why. You left everything dry but my eyes.
So this is my hair straight, y'all. Now I just gotta do my baby hair.
I got these tears on my pillowcase. Hate that I feel away. I shouldn't even feel guilty, boy, you pushed me away. All the shit you said you wouldn't do, you did it anyway. All the shit we was building, boy, you threw it away. I love you mentally before I love you physically. Crazy how you was once my lover, now my enemy. Always gonna have love for you, but you ain't no friend to me. You were so bold out with them hoes, now you want sympathy. Why? You think you deserve a goodbye, bye, bye. Now it's your turn to go and cry, cry, cry. So silly of me to think that one day I'll be alright.
Okay, y'all, I'm so tired, so let me just go ahead and show y'all the final results. I think I did a good job. I like it. If you like it too, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below of which one to see next, and also leave me some tips down below in the comments on what I could have done better, or anything, any products that you recommend me to use. And yeah, just let me know. But hope y'all enjoyed this video. Yes, out.